Isa ka ba sa mga taong tulad ko na ayaw ng gamot pag may ubo? May sagot na sa problema mo. Isibuyas mo. Isibuyas mo. Even though guys, my husband is puti and we are talking every day, I'm still on that point na yung nabubulol ka. Siyempre, Pinoy tayo, diba? But I am trying to speak English here so everyone could understand what I'm talking about. Okay? So just bear with me. Hello. So tonight guys, I'm gonna show you how to prepare this onion to cure your cough. If you have a dry cough, if you don't like medicine, you can use the onion as a home remedy. Because mostly Chinese, they really don't like to use the Western medicine. Mostly they like to use natural medicine. Like most of them, they use the Chinese medicine, and that's all natural. I will show you how to prepare the onion. Okay, so first is I have to cut this into a thin slice, like just like this. Just make it thin, and of course you need to use the clean chopping board. I put this on the top because this one is for the fruits and this one we use this one for the meat, so it should be separate. See here, now it's already sliced, and of course you need this one. And if you don't have this in your house, you can use a soup bowl like this. So all you have to do is just to put all the onion inside without water. Okay. Put all inside. And then, so I'm going to use this pot. You see, there's a water inside. Just place the pot with the onion like this. And then cover it. And then you can boil it until 45 minutes. Oh no. Once the water is boiling, you have to adjust the fire into low, and then you set the timer to 1 to 45 minutes. So we'll open the fire now. "45 minutes is done." Did you see the small pot, guys? There's a water came out from the onion. All you have to do is to strain it, and then you can drink that water in the morning before you eat your breakfast. So hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.